Who thought I could get any better? Cyber Acoustics did. Alright, let's get started. Show me what you got. Oh, I like that. But what do they get? Very nice. That's all you need. It's like looking in a mirror. Okay, now where do I fit into this? Very cozy. But where will I get power? Oh cool. They can use my own cord. Wow, that's fast. Don't worry, this shouldn't take too long. Oh cool. I like the pretty lights. Finally, I am cord free. Can I really be like this for 6 hours? Wow. Nothing is holding me back now. Let's go.